Now this is the second equation for the uniformly accelerated motion, and in this equation you are going to find out the distance covered in a certain time. For the distance covered in a certain time, if we consider average velocity for the time interval 0 to t, if we have a two different times, then we can take the v average velocity. So v average is equal to what? Displacement upon time. So displacement at time t is equal to 0 is equal to what? That is x naught, and at time t it is x. So here we have substituted x minus x naught, because generally displacement you will consider like this: x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. So here x2 is x and x1 is x naught. t2 is t and t1 is 0. By taking the cross multiplication, we have got v average into t. Now if we have a two different velocities, okay, then v average can be taken by the initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2, average of these two velocities. So here only the two velocities are there, so we can apply this average formula also by substituting v average in this place, this formula in this place. Okay, so you will be getting x minus x naught, v naught plus v by 2 into t. Now we have the first equation, v is equal to v naught plus at. Substitute this value of v in place of this v. So in place of this v, when you will substitute v naught plus at divided by 2 multiplied by t. Now take this v naught plus v naught is equal to 2v naught plus at divided by 2 into t. Now write the separate expression. 2v naught upon 2 comes out to be v naught multiplied by t, v naught into t, and 1 by 2 at multiplied by t, so half at square. So x minus x naught v naught t minus 1 by 2 at square. So the displacement at time t is equal to x naught plus vt minus x by 2 at. This is the distance travelled from origin to the point, to the position where the time is t and the position is x. So this is the total distance travelled. But if you are going to find out the displacement between the time t to 0, then how you will take? Now this expression x minus x naught can be written as displacement s. So this is the distance travelled in time t, okay, and we can say this is also the displacement. So this displacement can be written as v naught half at square, because x minus x naught is written as s, so this will be equal to v naught plus half at square.